Well, it is a warmer start this morning. Medford sitting 6 degrees warmer than this hour yesterday. We're at 41 and temperatures really not going to be budging much through this afternoon. So expect us to stay into the 40s. But today's the warmest day in the forecast. Temperatures will start to drop off. Highs likely just getting barely above freezing as we're getting through this weekend and even continuing into next week. Now we're looking just over the next couple of days with some travel impacts. And this is going to continue all the way into next week. So if you are traveling, today's going to be the better day to do so before conditions start to get a little bit worse. But even today, some minor travel issues along the Cascades going into Siskiyou County and Modoc County. Now, not too much of this is expected because snow levels still quite high, getting around 35 to 4,500 feet. And that started out this morning. We did have some a little bit lower snow levels going to around 3,500 feet. Now, as you're seeing into Friday, a minor into moderate level impact for traveling, and that's with lower snow levels. Next round of precipitation starts to move in with the next cold front moving in as well. So going into the Cascades, Northern California along I-5, this is where the travel issues start, and we continue this into Christmas, and you're seeing some of that extending now, getting closer to some of the lower valleys, stretching all the way up into Roseburg and going further north. So conditions getting worse and worse over the next couple of days. Not a good travel plan if you're going to be heading out after today. Today we are expecting the rain and some of the snow going into the Cascade Mountains. That's because snow levels still around 3,500 to 4,500 feet, and we're still going to see some higher wind gusts up there as well. Now, Friday through Christmas morning, this is where those snow levels start to drop off, getting into the lower valleys. You're seeing around 1,500 feet to start off Christmas morning, and that's a possibility for 1 inch of snow. We're seeing heavy snow possible above 2,000 feet. Going Christmas Eve all the way through about Tuesday, those snow levels around 1,000 feet, might even dip to around 500 feet at times. And that is going to continue to bring major travel impacts, especially if you're planning on getting back here. That's where we're seeing a big issue. Now, for today, we have the winter storm warning down into Siskiyou County and the winter storm watch from tomorrow all the way in through Monday. That's east of the Cascades. And you're also seeing that for Jackson County as well. Now, winter storm warning in place for Friday all the way through Monday. That's for Coos, Curry, and Douglas County. And this is just things changing as we're getting through the next couple of days. Now, this morning, a good coverage of rain. This is mainly west of I-5, and this is with the first cold front starting to push into our area. And a good coverage will continue as we're getting through today of this precipitation. Again, snow levels quite high for today, so some of the mountains will be getting all of the snow, whereas the rest of us, it's going to stay liquid precipitation, which is good news if you are traveling. Still need to take it slow if you find yourself in some of that heavy rainfall. Getting a small break in that precipitation, some lighter snow tonight, but with those snow levels dropping off into Friday and the next cold front moving in, you're seeing a good coverage of rain and snow levels, again, around 2,000 feet. So that is bringing some of that heavier snow in some of the I-5 corridors. Going a lot of the mountain roads as well will be getting some of the heavier precipitation, heavier snow. And this continues all the way through Saturday morning, where those snow levels will start to drop off to around 500 feet. So you are seeing snow through today, pretty much along the Cascades, some of the higher mounts getting around 6 inches possible, Lake of the Woods up to Crater Lake and Fort Mount Shasta. But into Friday, all the way through Friday evening, we're seeing higher amounts along the Cascades and the mountain ranges, and you're seeing that snow kind of getting a little bit lower for the valley, and that continues through Saturday morning. I think it's Saturday evening and Sunday is where we're going to continue to see that better setup for the valley of the snow. Mainly snow expected in Monday, as temperatures only getting a few degrees above freezing. Morning temperatures below freezing starting Sunday morning, and not a big warm up at all next week. You're seeing highs barely above freezing, but precipitation does look to wind down as we're getting through late Tuesday, maybe early Wednesday morning. So snow expected with the wind and a little bit of rain for the Klamath Basin today and tomorrow, but changing just to snow starting Saturday on Christmas. Same setup for Northern California, but temperatures a few degrees warmer. You're seeing barely above freezing Monday and Tuesday, and rain and heavy rain at times expected for the coastline. Again, they're already getting at this morning, but that rain chance continues all the way into next week.